Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Turbo. Now, these past days have been very turbulent in the crypto market. I get it, everything is dipping and it seems like it is the end of it. But guess what? We are just finding the new support lines before we go into the big reversal because all these dips don't last for long. I mean, history proves itself. You have to always look in the past, right? When you look at these type of dips, they happen. It's normal. People freak out. There are lots of paper hands, lots of, fudders and lots of things going on, right? A bunch of emotions. At the end of the day, cryptos, the market is full of emotions. It's a roller coaster. But guess what? We have to take opportunities out of these moments. Believe me, there are so many people right now, and I'm talking about the smart money, the sophisticated investors that are taking advantage of it. And Turbo looks like a coin that is set to explode, but also easy gains. We're talking about an easy 2x, 3x, and 4x. Think about it. Not that long ago, right? And I remember making these videos like a few weeks ago when Turbo was around 800 million market cap, right? Or even 900 million market cap. So it was between these ranges and we were so close to break above the 1 billion mark. But guess what? We went down. But what it actually says is that Turbo easily can go up to these ranges and above. And that is not in the altcoin season. That was before. So think about what can happen in the altcoin season when massive amounts of liquidity starts flowing into the crypto market. It is going to go wild, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are looking to at least just make a 2x, 3x, 4x, I mean, I believe there is potential to make 100x here. But if you really want to make like really quick money, and like super guaranteed, I mean, just look at the all-time high. Look at how much time that happened, right? So when it happened, and calculate like from this time, right? So this was around 15th of December, right? When it really peaked high up. And now we are in March, right? Beginning of March. So what was that? Like 10, 12 weeks ago? Maybe 15 weeks ago, not that long ago, we already hit an all-time high. So yes, it can move. It's not the impossible. I'm not taking out a coin right now and telling you about an imaginary all-time high. There are so many coins out there that we can predict that they're going to go really high up. Okay, but we've never seen it touch these ceilings. But this one, we've already seen what it can do. But this is for those that like don't even believe that it can go past 500 million. But what is my prediction here? Like I've always said, around 20 billion. And even if we don't go to 20 billion, 10 billion is still very nice. I mean, these are some serious returns. And these are life-changing gains if you go in now, right? So if you load up at these prices right now, 200 million market cap, and it goes to 20 billion, you have 100x your money. Which means if you put in $1,000, you could make 100 grand. And with 10 grand, you could make $1 million. Yes, I mean, some of you are going to say, Gossipator, you are delusional. Look at the markets. They are collapsing. But I've seen these collapses. I've been in the crypto market for years, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? I mean, I may look young, but believe me, I have a lot of experience. I'm not as young as I look, right? And the point that I'm trying to make here is that I know and understand how psychology here works. I mean, I look at the markets every single day. This is something that I do because I am an influencer, so I have to check the charts every day. I have to read the news, I have to get into it. But what I have learned, the biggest lesson I have learned from all this is that in moments of panic, actually you should be taking action. Not when everybody is feeling happy, then you should be loading up, right? When it's really high up, you should be taking action in the dips. And at the end of the day, this big boy, right? This one, more so than Bitcoin, is the one that is going to drive us up. So whatever Ethereum is doing right now, We're going to have to take notice of it. And trust me, there are a lot of institutions that are secretly loading up on Ethereum. You even have like Trump's company, Liberty, loading up on Ethereum. Like, this is a big, big play. And many predict it to go all the way up to 10K. So imagine how much is going to drive like everything that's built on the ETH blockchain. It's going to be driving up all the way to the moon. Now, looking at the socials, guys, we are growing. Okay, even though people are fudding, even some people are freaking out. They're like, I shouldn't be touching any meme coins and so on. But there are still many events going on. I mean, there are listings happening. Look at this new listing this week. New tokens dropped and changed now IO, now wallet this week. Meet Turbo and so on, right? So definitely there is a lot of action going on, and it is up to you to take your or at least make some moves right now, because we are very active. Turbo is not sleeping. At least the devs are not sleeping. The ones that are in charge of, doing all these activities for Turbo, taking it through different partnerships, getting new listings and so on. It's just happening behind the scenes. Like, while you're freaking out about the chart, I mean, it's not a pretty chart. But if you can look through the chart and actually look a little bit further than just what is happening today, what happened in the past week, gosh, you are going to do so well in crypto investments, because cryptos are great investments. Yes, they're very volatile, but there's so much money to be made. And 90, maybe even I would say as far as 99% of the people do lose money because they freak out or they invest too high up and so on. They make these rookie mistakes. But if you're watching my videos right now, you're already at the top because you are trying to educate yourself. You want extra information. You want to understand how the markets work. And these are the moments where you make the money. Even though I was telling you to buy at these levels, guys, you could still make money even if you load it up at the peak, at the highest point here, at the all-time high. You're still going to make money. Because I believe with all the liquidity coming in, with this being a top 10 meme in my eyes, with this, really having a beautiful story behind it, with it having two massive listings, the Binance and COINBASE listing, these guys do their due diligence. They research. They have loaded up on Turbo for a reason, because of the long-term prospects of this investment. Now, looking at the holders, we're growing, right? So the crypto is dumping, but we're growing. And even, I'd even add that although the whole crypto market is dumping so much, Turbo is holding pretty well. It's holding pretty well. I thought it would be like way lower at this point, maybe even below 100 million, but it's holding its grounds. It's above 200 million, at least by the time this video comes out, okay? Because I know things move very, very quickly. Now, top 5 meme coins, okay? So these are the type of articles that are being produced every single day, and they're always mentioning Turbo. Always mentioning Turbo. Why? Because Turbo has a lot behind it. There's a lot going on. Right, there's a lot of influencers that are supporting it, and some big names, massive names are supporting it. Also, community is very strong. People have already made money, so they get very excited, right? Now they're DCAing. I mean, I remember when I was talking about Turbo when it was like months ago, when it was around 200 million market cap, 100 million market cap, and people started making their 5Xs and 6Xs. They were thanking me. They were like, damn, Gossipator, you got it right. But, now when it goes down, people are getting angry. They're blaming the influencers. They're saying, okay, us, the influencers, we're getting paid to move Turbo all the way down to make it dip so the whales can load up and so on. Believe me, guys, I swear on my life that Turbo isn't paying anything. Well, at least for me, right? I haven't seen any money go my direction from Turbo. Yet they have a community, okay? They try to update some influencers as to what is expected to happen in the future, the type of listings and partnerships and so on. But in terms of rewards for our work, we're just doing it based on the interest and based on the commitment and our vision that this thing is going to explode. Why does YouTube, why do you think the algorithm, okay, pushes these videos so hard? I believe it's because there is a lot of interest. That's it. Like, every time I upload Turbo videos, they do get quite a decent amount of views, and not always from subscribers. And when Turbo does well, when it starts going up, it gets pushed even harder because there's genuine interest. People are researching. This isn't a dead coin. This isn't a coin that just came out to be rugged or to, be manipulated and so on. Like, this is really, really transparent, and it's the real deal in my opinion. So definitely a great choice for your bags. Although the markets, don't look very beautiful, and it's even hard for me sometimes to make videos because I know I'm going to be attacked. I'm going to be told that I have said the same stuff over and over again, but I am just trying to motivate you. Because if you want to be at the top of the game, if you want to be the 1%, you're going to have to go through the difficult times. And when are these difficult times? They are right now. If you make them difficult, for me, they're not difficult. I'm not doing any manual work. I'm not out there sacrificing my health. I know how this works. I just follow a pattern because I've already written everything down. I know more or less, when I expect things to start exploding. People have accused me of saying, oh, yeah, you told us Turbo was going to go up in February and so on. No, I never said it was going to go up in February. Never said it was going to reach an all-time high in February. I said the altcoin season, yes. When is the altcoin season happening? Well, nobody really knows 100% because there has to be a pattern, right? Bitcoin's dominance needs to go down, then all that money needs to go to Ethereum, high caps, mid caps, low caps, and so on. So it's a process that we need to go through. But hopefully this year, at least by the end of this year, I expect some big, big gains. If not, then we go into 2026. We're holding strong. But this is the real deal. This at least for me, is worth it. Like, I'm willing to wait because I know that the gains I will make from this really going to be life-changing. Because when you have more money in your pocket, you can make more money. It just becomes that much easier. And then you can, live and also carry on investing because you already made so much money. So let's try go after that big bag. Let's try and make these millions if possible. And really trust the process. Because if you panic and if you freak out, you're just like, the 99%. The ones that don't really know what is going on. They're just looking at the chart, checking, the 1 hour chart. I love, the funniest one is the 1 hour chart, where you see the green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle. And it's like, green candle, yeah, we're going to the moon. Red candle, okay, it's over. Let's quit. Like, that doesn't work with me. That doesn't work with me. I look at, way bigger charts. And I have a way, way further vision. But the markets are definitely going to be affected. There's just too much going on. Look at the tariffs that are being imposed on the countries by Trump. So right now, his administration obviously is taking a lot of action. It's trying to sort out the situation with all the conflicts in the world and so on. So we're going to have to give it some time so it can all resolve. Right? Because at the end of the day, it all has some sort of ending, right? It needs a conclusion, an ending, and so on. But it is going to take some time because there are just so many things that are being signed right now, so many things being done, and it is affecting the stock market, which you kind of have to accept it. Also, some coins being introduced on Solana that really sucked out the liquidity. Then we had apparently North Korea has been stealing money. Ethereum, from what I understand, $1.5 billion worth of it. So really, there is a lot going on in the world, and I think it is going to take just a bit of time to kind of calm the situation down and get the market back up. But as of now, there is going to be panic. The average person sitting at their computer investing, they're like, oh my God, big news. Let me just quit. Let me cash out. Let me run away. It's over. It's done. Like, they have that mindset. And that's it. What can I say? But either way, guys, I'm going to have to leave it here. You let me know how you feel about Turbo. Are you positive? Are you bullish? Or are you negative? Is it over for you? Are you running away? Is it like the end of Turbo? Because I've seen a lot of these type of comments. I am gonna get back to them for sure. I'm not gonna leave it like this. When Turbo really starts pumping, I'm gonna find all these comments and then respond. But as of now, let's just stay patient, right? And also make sure you subscribe, guys. Let's spread these videos. Let's keep going hard because you guys watching these videos and liking and sharing and so on really gives me the motivation. You are the reason why I make these videos. Like, if I had no views, no interest, I wouldn't make these videos, because who's going to be watching them? It's for you guys. I'm putting in my time, my effort for you. So yeah, I just want to say a big thank you. Really do appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.